not gonna lie, this might be a bad idea, but snow, fresh snow, probably can't see it because it's totally white. But Cam, she's gonna get waken up. We're going outside. First, BMW out, tractor to the side, fire up, Mustang. Let's see if it even starts. Put air in the tire, warm it up, two-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive. I don't think it's gonna end well, but it's gonna be fun. So yeah, let's move some stuff around. Welcome back to the channel. Let's get rocking. I got gloves on, it's hard. Come on. This is gonna be the interesting part. Starting up the Mustang. Yeah, let's see. We're gonna put the camera. Let's see. Hold on, be patient. Whoop, that's a glove. That'll work. All right, let's see how this goes. It's 26 degrees roughly. Great success. Sorry. Sorry, old pal. You're getting woken up. Good oil pressure. I know. Like, what the hell? We're supposed to be hibernating.
Oh,
Okay. I feel like I'm out of breath. Oh, he wasn't kidding. That's pretty awesome. That's pretty cool. Oh, you're falling. I fell. Whoa, where's he going now? Uh-oh. I saw that coming. I saw that coming. Kinda.
I knew I couldn't. I knew if I tried to go up there, I'd probably end up hitting my stuff.
Yeah.
So I was like, oh, maybe I can get just need to get this tip it, get the ski up, and then I'll walk it up.
Yeah, your ski's a little bent.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, just this portion of it.
Oh, I think it was before.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. I forgot my gloves.
Yeah, that's not really wedged in there yet.
Nah.
I stopped in time.
We're gonna come back in a second. Well, he got out. Just walked it out. Whoops.
Oopsies.
I was worried about this.
Yeah, I don't even think I hardly hit.
Yeah, I don't think you did either.
I think that got jammed in and it like stopped the whole thing.
Yep.
A little bit.
Oh, that's just mud.
Remember, because I did in that ditch over there like
Yeah.
5 years ago, I actually broke that reflector.
Yep.
I yanked that off of the park sled. Glued it back.
Yeah.
Double side taped it. It's super fun though. It really rips when
When you get on it.
you get on it.
Yeah, no. It looked cool, especially when you came up. The sun was a little bit higher, so you could. There's some good backlight.
Fans, like,
Yeah, it's cool.
but these are, I mean, they're only slightly functional. In other words, like, well, maybe that, actually don't look that much different. But they're mainly just for grabbing on and pulling.
I was gonna say, they don't really do anything.
No. So I'll take that one off. Like you said, you roll it this way, it's easier. Go ahead and look at that speed.
Oh yeah. Yep. The ski itself, the smell shouldn't be showing right here.
And they're both like that.
Yeah.
Trying to decide. You can get Kimpex seeds for a couple $100 a pair.
Yep.
Or CNA Pros. CNA Pros are like $350 to $400 a pair.
A lot. How do you like your track?
Love it.
Yeah, it's got some good grab.
Yep, love it. But it's still in the real deep ditches. It definitely spins,
Yeah.
but it's way better than it was. Like it was, you'd go into a deep ditch and you're just like, wah.
Yeah.
Now it just, you can hear a little bit different tone, but it's still, you still have go.
Yeah. The wind died down. It's nice.
Go for you.
I want to be on the other side, and then you come up towards me. That's some deep. Oh, jeez. There's a lot of snow right there. As I about fall. That was awesome. Perfect. Well, that's gonna wrap up this kind of random video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Whoa! Got some air on that one. I'll see you guys later.